Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Priyam. It's good to have you back, guys. And in this video I'm going to unboxing Rode VideoMic Go, and I'm going to see what's inside the box. So let's get started after this intro. Now let's unbox it. I purchased it from Amazon in 5,799 Indian rupees. Now let's open it. So here's our Rode VideoMic Go. In front of the box you can see the printing of Rode VideoMic Go, lightweight on camera microphone, and the side of the box you can see the 2 years of warranty, integrated Rycote lyre suspension, no battery required, and very lightweight. Now let's open the box and see what box contains. Here's the audio cable, instruction, and here's the Rode microphone. It's a very lightweight microphone with Rycote lyre suspension. Behind it, it's an audio input. You have to put the audio cable here. Now let's plug the audio cable. And mount the mic on the top of the DSLR. And plug the other side of the cable to the mic plug. To use this mic with a DSLR, you have to go to the camera setting, go to the sound recording, and switch it to manual. So here's the quick unboxing of Rode VideoMic Go. So hope this video will helpful to you guys. If you like this video, then please like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you want this Rode VideoMic Go, then I'm going to give the link in the description below. And if you want to comment something, then please comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.